We are still out in Northern California, Sun Valley Mall. Last time I stopped here, they had so much heat at this shoe palace. There's no way I'm gonna see that again, right? Came here a month ago, they had the playoff 13s, they had the gratitude 11s, they had playoff 8s, I think, or something. They had a lot of stuff. Not really getting the same luck today. They do got the lucky green pretty dope, 180. Then do got the latest green, right? Green glow green, I don't know. They do got these. These ain't too bad. This ain't too bad if you're a fan of this green. Do have the Toro Bravo 6s. Have not seen these at too many spots. This is pretty dope. This is a size 8 on display. I'm trying to remember if I have these. I don't know if I have these or not. I don't know. And of course they do have a bunch of the Jordans that are on sale. Python, lows, highs. The OG black and whites. Okay. These still on sale for $120. Then a couple of 13s, and then you also see the wallpaper. That is the Jordan wallpaper with all the Jordan playing cards. Pretty dope. I feel like I haven't seen these too much in LA. This is clean, dude. This is hella clean. It is the regular Air Force One leather though, but dang, that baby blue, that powder blue, university blue, that thing hits, man. That thing hits. Then they do got these mostly black Pittsburgh Steelers colorway right here. This is kind of cool. Kind of cool, a little different. There's 125. Feels like slightly better leather. Okay. Seen these Hirachis pretty much everywhere, as well as these Zoom Freaks. They are on sale almost everywhere. And then look at the boxes. This is crazy. I've never been to a shoe palace where they got boxes like this. Not at the retail location. I've seen like the Champs outlet, but never a retail location like this. Wow. Wow, so many boxes. All right, we've seen these at a bunch of spots, but this, oh, I thought this was a bigger size. 7.5, that's no way this is 7.5. Oh yeah, 7.5. It says Sabrina, so, but I thought this was a bigger size. Holy crap, 7.5, $80. And I don't think I've seen these. I don't think I've ever seen these. I think this is one with that 3M on it. Yeah, 3M. Never seen these. Okay, nice little women's release right here, 180. Okay. All right, Toro Bravo 6s, definitely interesting to see that. But you see all those boxes? I told you guys, make sure you guys stay patient. It's all inventory control, inventory management. And when they got that many boxes sitting even outside and they don't even have room, what do you think is gonna happen? Stuff's gonna go on sale, man. Stuff's gonna go on sale. So make sure you guys are patient unless you really need something. Be patient. That's what I've been saying, man. Be patient. All right, I don't know this mall. I don't know what they got. They do have a Chic. Those two have been the best stores, right? Shoe Palace and Chic lately. Let's go. Do they still have the Buzz Lightyear Croc right here? Wow, I haven't seen these at many spots. I know people were scooping these up pretty quick. $55 for these bad boys, and then they still got the McDonald's one right here. What these going for? $75. McDonald's charging licensing like that. Also got the Outcast one right here. These aren't that much. $30 for that one. Okay. I should have bought my kid this one. He would have been repping Outcast. He wouldn't have even known. And then do got a Star Wars one right here. Never seen this one. Okay. Got got the little thing that's on his chest. Okay. I just remember Triumph the Insult Comic Dog when he was clowning that fool. I think these are going for $50 bucks. And if you guys like Jordan 1, especially the OGs, especially the lows, y'all need to grab these, man. This is a 9.5 on display. $70 freaking dollars. Are you serious? 50% off? 50% off. That's insane, dude. That is insane, yo. Man. If you're a Jordan 1 High OG head, y'all better have these, man. Y'all better have these. 135. We've seen these for 120. I got mine for like close to 100. When they had them on sale here, even more. Man, y'all got to get these. And if you're not into 1 highs, it's all good. It's all good. But look at these. $60 freaking dollars. This is an Air Max grade school. Air Max 90 grade school. So for the women, or if you have kids, $60, man. Men's sizing right here. 270s. I remember when 270s would never go on sale. And got Blazers right here. Mo Blazers. And we're in Northern California. I'm surprised to see Rams gear. Guess we see Niners stuff, but Rams gear sell out like that, like out here. 175 down to 120. Slight sale on the Aaron Donald. He's retired, so these are always going to be good. I love getting the OG, like the older players, the Hall of Fame guys, because you know they'll never get traded or nothing. You know, $80, $80 for these Steph Curry. I don't know the players. I don't know, especially these fools. I don't know the Warriors. Well, I don't need to know the Warriors, but yeah, dude got Warriors jerseys. Some of the older ones. This one shows 135 to 100. But yeah, this one shows 80, so I'm trying to get it for 80 if I need them. Pretty dope. Same player, yep. I got the old school Chris Webber going for 90. Hey, he played for these fools and Sacramento. He played for both of the Northern California teams. That's funny. Okay, 90 bucks. I'm old as hell, so I like the older ones. This is dope. That one's dope. Still got these in the women's 135 here. My kid's into car racing. I kind of wish I grabbed one of these just early in the winter. It's too late now because he might have a growth spurt, but 170 for those. I kind of like those. In LA, they got like a ton of those. Here, the selection a little more limited because a little bit smaller store. Ooh, this one's kind of cool too. This motorsport one right here. This one's pretty dope. This one's going for 65. That's not too bad. MSRP's not too bad on that one. Then of course we got Mitchell and Ness gear right here. These are down to 95, so 110 down to 95. Side sale. Weekend visit, so the mall is pretty packed. They do have a round one. They do have a round one right here. Got tons of games there. My kiddo loves that spot. This lid's worth stopping by. It's packed. Look at how many people there are. Goddamn, dude. Just going for retail. I just grabbed one of these. It was like 25 bucks at the Nike outlet. What the hell? The hell? We'll see if they've already released that video or not. But yeah, I don't think any of these are even on sale, yeah. No, not really. What's up with that? They got a clearance sign right there. Don't really see anything marked on sale. $30, $25 for that one, but all the $10 hats are marked 15 and under. It's packed here, but yeah, no real deals, dude. No real deals. I do forget to mention, if you guys need to know the address of any of the locations I visit, it's always in the description. It is. But yeah, we do have Foot Locker. It is a House of Hoops. Does that matter? I feel like it used to, but not nowadays. Starting off in the grade school section, I did see this in the corner of my eye. Never seen this colorway right here. Pretty wild. Pretty wild. This is a Jordan 1 mid right here. These are going for 120 now. And they still got these. Wow, I haven't seen these in a while. These are the True Blue, right? 140 for these. I haven't seen these in a long time. This is a grade school, but I'm saying I haven't seen any of these in a while, man. Then I'm staying in the grade school section, seeing all kinds of stuff I haven't seen. I guess I don't really check the grade school that often, but do got these LeBron 21s right here I've never seen. Then 170 for these as well. I don't think I've ever seen this one too. Okay, I do like the fact that it has that little metal piece in the front. Let's just say James's Theater. Has popcorn in the inside. Okay. Seeing the MB ones on sale. Pretty clean, all white. Normally 95 down to 70. Wow, this location packing in the shoes. Wow, really good selection of Air Forces up top. Do got Dunks in the middle. Blazers on the bottom. Pretty solid selection. Saw the University blue earlier. It's more like a Kentucky blue. Right here, 115. I got a pink one right here. And a Celtics green right here, 115 for all those. Then I got an orange one right here. Slightly different color blocking right here though. This one matches with all those, but they got this next to all the white ones right here. 80, similar to the Nike outlets. This is something we've seen at a lot of the shoe pals. They just jamming them all in because they're getting so much stuff and they just don't have room to put them. They don't have room to put them, and they don't want to say no to Nike because they don't want to get less and less stuff from Nike, so they kind of have to say yes. That's a good thing for us because a lot of it goes on sale. Another selection of Jordans as well as Nike basketball right here. And then the Jordan retros right here. Wow. And look at this one. Is this a returned one? Did someone just... Wow, this one looks so beat up. Is it left in the sun? This just does not look right at all. Look at it. Oh my goodness. Put a shoe tree in there, but even if they did have a shoe tree, it's like dirty. It's just dirty. That's weird. Dang. Got an all black Jordan 1 low right here. Pretty nice. $100, but mediocre leather. Chambres right here go for $150. And they do got plenty of retros like most other spots. And I do have some regular Jordan 1 retros, like the regular 1 lows. They're not bad. It's just, you know, I got mine for like $40-something, you know, because the leather is pretty whatever. But yeah, they're here. Definitely not paying $120, $130 for the Jordan 1 lows. They do have a few colorways of the Gill Zeros. Multiple colorways, okay. But man, I just saw them so cheap at the Foot Locker outlet, damn. So they have Jordans in the House of Hoops section. Then they have Jordans right here too. Definitely interesting. Okay. See some sales, nothing too crazy though, nothing too crazy. They got a food court and then they also have a bunch of food spots right here. Kind of an interesting setup. Oh, kind of interesting. Okay. Rest of the mall way wide open. Then over there it's like way congested. I don't really understand that. That Cinnabon's huge. You do got a Champs right there, as well as a JD Sports. As well as a kid who's tantruming like a motherfucker right there. Oh man. Oh hell no, fool. Hell no. The crying kid went that way. We're going this one. Starting with the New Balance. We've seen these on sale for a cool minute. And this one's kind of new. I've not seen this one on sale too much. This one's not bad. Not bad. And this one's pretty cool right here, especially for $60. These are what, like 90 now or something? So that's not bad, dude. Damn, I hear that fool screaming from way across the way. Holy cow. Yeah, this ain't bad. This ain't bad. The suede's kind of rough, but I do like the color. I have no clue what this is, but it's cheap. Cheap, 100 down to $30. Still got the Web Boost going for $80. Also got these Golf Ultra Boosts right here, go for $80. Then I've said I'm gonna keep showing these. Dang, I just saw these at the outlets for hella cheap. That was the Foot Locker outlet, and then they still have these Question pumps going for $80 right here. Got some of the budget curries right here, the Splash right here. Not too bad. They don't look that much different. I'm sure the technology and stuff's a little bit different. Those look a little bulkier than these. These are the 11s? These are the 11s, right? Yeah, the 11s. Ooh, I have not seen this colorway right here. This one's not bad. This, what, the Curry 11s right here too? Okay. Third colorway, I've never seen this one right here. I have seen this one. This one's definitely interesting. And the Curry 1 retro right here. He is on fire. Okay. I can do all things. All right, the crying kiddo is gone. Let's check out the JD. Start with what I do have on feed. Pegasus 35 Turbos, I think that's what these are called. Yeah, these are comfy as hell. Do got ZoomX. It's, I think, ZoomX combined with ReactX, so it's not the same as 100% ZoomX, but still damn comfy. Got it for hella cheap. And then, yeah, I've been on my feet all day, so that's why I wear the comfy sneakers. Just jeans and t-shirt. That's it. Just across the way, we were taking a look at the Curry 11s, and they got them on sale here. Got them on sale, multiple colorways, $50 off. So not too shabby. We got the Curry 2 lows right here. The Curry 2 lows. They're not too low. They're the Curry 2nd gen lows right here. $50 off. And do got a couple of the Ja Morants. And I still think this is the nicest one, dude. I think this is the best colorway here. I rarely ever like gold on sneakers, but that baby blue, that gold, white, just that hits, man. That hits, dude. $140 for these bad boys. Guess they're doing some changes, moving some racks around. I don't see any of the reduced section or the last chance, whatever the hell it's called. But I think we're done, dude. I think we're done. Time to go back to LA, man. Yeah, and if you do rent a car here, do not get gas from one of these places right next to the airport, because yeah, these are where all the break-ins happen. Not all, but this is where tons and tons of break-ins happen. This is Hegenberger. I think that's the name of this spot. This is where I got my car broken into. Yeah, don't waste your time going to one of these gas stations, man. Fuck these, baby. All right, no break-ins this weekend. Last month I did get my car broken into while I was here.